Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today in today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 12th, 2022. I've already done two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars in this additional, and this will be number 4251. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve, if it's really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, here a dual box, there also a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this directly. Same for here, I need more information. Then the following question, do we have here triple box? I see here a triple box, only one triple box in this puzzle. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet, but what I know is the box, the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or 5. Okay, quadra box. I see here the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the rest of the numbers, I cannot fill this yet. I see here also a quadra box, cannot fill this yet, need more information. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constructions, or structures, yes, whatever you name it. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. We have here the L shape. Alright, the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Remember that in this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then missed this figure, the L shape. And here another. Let me continue with this first. We have another one, same like here. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, now we have all these shapes here. All right, the L shape. Overlook this one. So this box has the same number as that box. Rotated the L shape. Okay, then the following shape. How about the Z construction? Let me draw the Z construction. Oh, need to move the camera. Okay, and remember, when you see the Z construction, we have here a 1 and there a 1. Remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1 or a 2. But also that box has the same number as this box, so in this case it's the 1 or a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box the same number as this box. Okay. So now we have two numbers left in this Z construction. We have a pair, 1 and a 2. The other pair should be the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. Here, the same. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is this correct? Yeah, it's correct. Okay. And that box has the same number as this box. Yeah. Okay. And the final figure that you need to recognize is this shape. The final shape, yeah. Alright. Remember, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. So we have 4 figures, structures, constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize these kind of shapes. Well, the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. All right. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. This box should be a 5. And that box should be a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair, 1 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 1. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, but also this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Okay. 3, 3. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill those in one of those two boxes with the 1. I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. Here cannot be a 1, but also there cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be here. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 digit left in this quadrat box for the number 2. I've marked those two boxes with the 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay. So it cannot be a 4 anymore, this box. Here also not. That means that that box should be a 4. Okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. And now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1 are left, yeah. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Yeah. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, okay. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so and those two boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so these two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 1. In this triple box, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. Yeah, let me see. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this L shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 4 and a 5. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. 1, 4. I need to trigger this number with 4 or a 5. If I place a 1 here, I cannot trigger this. So I think the 1 should be here. But let me look for other numbers. I think this box should be 2 because there can be 1, should be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two, well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Okay. Well, that means that this box cannot be 4 or a 5 because we have a double 5 here, double 4 here. So the 4 and the 5 should be in these two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and the 5. That means that box in this area should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. Then I think, well. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. So and that box can also not be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. Same situation as before here with the 1 because we have a double 1 here. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes here. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 it goes there. 3 and a 5. We already have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3 and a 5. No, 2 numbers. The 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow with the other 3 puzzles. Letter Sudoku and a 2-star Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.